Questions 1 through 3 from this lesson have the same answers as yesterday's. So if you're not sure how to do those, go ahead and look back at lesson 5. For question 4, it says write a partitive division story problem for 6 divided by 3/4. This is the same division sentence, but the way that we're going to write our story is different. We're using partitive instead of measurement division. So partitive gives you the amount of groups, but you are looking for how many goes in each group. With measurement division, it's the opposite. You know how much goes in each group, but you have to figure out how many groups there are. So our sentence for this one might sound something like, 6 people form 3/4 of the soccer team. So that's the groups, the amount of groups. And now we want to know how many people are on the whole soccer team. That's looking for the amount in the group. For number 5, we have 5/12 divided by 1/6. A story problem for this type of question might say 5/12 of a gallon fills 1/6 of the tank. How many gallons fill the whole tank?